Hello everyone and welcome back to this week's analysis. We will start with gold. In the gold chart, after the price reaction within this time zone and the start of the upward trend, the price managed to move toward the resistance area. There was a breakout above this resistance zone and it is expected that the price may have some correction and consolidation within this area. After the corrective pattern is completed, the upward trend may continue on the chart. If the price breaks below the green support zone, the corrective trend could extend to the next support zone. And as long as the price stays above this area, the upward trend may remain in place within this zone. If the price manages to break through the resistance zone and hold above it, the upward trend could continue up to the 78% level. In the Euro-USD chart, given the upward trend that has formed and the correction that followed, we expect to see a corrective pattern in this area. Based on the price reaction in the support zone and the support trend line, an upward trend may start in this zone. And if it breaks through the previous high, the upward trend may continue on this chart. If the price breaks below the red support zone, the upward trend will be invalidated, and the chart may continue with a downward and corrective trend. Next, we have Bitcoin chart. In the Bitcoin chart, considering the upward trend that ended in this zone and led to a corrective trend, it is expected that the correction may continue in the form of a three-wave pattern. And once again, the price may test the previous bottom in this support zone. If the price manages to hold above the current resistance zone, an upward trend will form and the downward trend scenario will be invalidated. And the price could start an upward movement and move toward the previous high. In the corrective trend, based on the price behavior in the support zone, we may see the start of an upward trend. Also, the price may move toward the previous bottom and test this area, which could result in a new downtrend on the chart. In the Dow Jones chart, based on the price reaction at the 78% level, we observe the beginning of a corrective and downward trend, which may continue in a form of a WXY pattern. The support zone and the 78% level will be key areas for this corrective and downward trend. If the price reacts and changes direction in this area, we may witness the start of an upward trend on the chart. However, if the support zone breaks before reaching the time zone, the corrective and downward trend may continue toward the 100% level, which is the previous bottom area. And at that level, the upward trend scenario could once again be considered on this chart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next week analysis. Until then, trade wisely.